Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to the new video UiPath AI Certifications. So today I'm going to be talking about the AI certifications in UiPath and in current scenarios and time. So these certifications are must, I'll say, and very much important to be cleared and achieved. So I'll just quickly start with the overall overview regarding the certifications and its cost, benefits, and how it will help you in your career growth. So I'll start with the first slide. So basically, first we're going to be talking about what is UiPath AI certifications and like what exactly they'll cover and how they'll help. So as we can see, so these certifications are basically validate your ability to build intelligent automation using AI plus RPA. So they focus around the AI capabilities which are currently added or provided in the UiPath platform, UiPath tool, and they focus on generative AI automation, intelligent document processing, communication mining, AI powered decision making, agentic automations. So all those recent and relevant features which are currently in demand in the market, and means they this certification will provide you as a validation that you are knowledgeable and expert in these new features and new technology which is again part of the UiPath. So as I'll just suggest that these certifications should be done and completed ASAP. So yeah, so the relevant AI certifications which are currently provided in UiPath. So as we can see, like currently there are three certifications, and first one is Specialized AI Associate. So basically, this is entry-level AI automation certification and focuses upon AI plus document understanding basics and best for beginners in AI automation. So this one, like again, specialized AI, like it'll be basic version or entry level, we can say, where you will get the understanding of the AI plus the document understanding basics and communication mining and all these things. So if you just want a like introduction or a basic understanding of the AI features which in the UiPath provided, so for this, like this certification is a good to go or the first preference. And yeah, so then the next one we can see is Specialized AI Professional. So it's the same like the previous one, but it's more sort of advanced one where you will get much more in depth and in detail information regarding the AI features in the UiPath. So basically, as we can see, advanced AI automation certification, it focuses on production level AI solutions require prior associate level knowledge. So for this one, like if you want to attempt for this special AI professional, so you should have or you should be having the knowledge of AI associate as well. So like that covers the basic, and then there's the advanced version of it. And if we can see the third one, which is the quite recently added and it's a new one, so that is Agentic Automation Associate. So basically this focuses upon AI agents, Studio Web. So as in UiPath we have Studio Web also now. So this particular one covers that Studio Web part plus Autopilot, covers prompt engineering and Gen AI workflows. So basically it will be around the AI prompting, like how we can use the AI models, how we can design it, how we can create an application using it. So how like overall solution we can create, UiPath solution we can create using the agentic automations or the AI models. So yeah, so basically these are the three most popular or in-demand certifications which are currently available in UiPath. And now I'll just cover the details regarding the cost of these certifications. So the costs are currently in USD, as we can see, but yeah, in INR we can again calculate it in INR currency as well. So the first one, Specialized AI Associate, if we look into it, so it is around like $150 which will be costing. So if you book, so Pearson views the web portal using which you generally book the exam for the certification, and there also like you have to use your credit card or some payment method, and the amount will be directed in dollars only. So that will be currency conversion will happen over there, and some charges and extra fee will also be included into it. So yeah, so that's how the booking of the exam will be done. So as we can see, the first one will be cost around $150, and the AI professional, if we go for it, so that will be like around $300. So that's like almost double of the associate one. And then the third one, agentic automation associate, it will be costing around $150. So yeah, so that's the overall pricing going on for these examinations. And for certain times or certain periods, like around New Year, or like around special events which happens, so these certification costs also reduces to 50% discount is provided, or sometimes even you get like free vouchers also to book these certifications and you can attempt it. So just keep an eye for this in the on the UiPath website to check like if any offers is going, or if any upcoming offer will be there, so you can get a discounted price for these certifications. So yeah, and yeah, so if we now look into this, like who should take these certifications, so who will be the good candidates, or like who should be looking into these certifications. So basically, if we say like the RPA developers, all the UiPath developers which are there currently, who have the knowledge and like who are already developing using the UiPath tool, but if they don't have the certification, so they'll add quite a value to their profile. And automation engineers, again, those guys, AI enthusiasts, if someone want to look into the what exactly new AI features are provided with the UiPath, so they are also good to go with the certifications. Freshers entering into RPA, so now like earlier, I'll say, as per my experience, like in the beginning there were not that much requirement for the RPA certifications while your interview was taken. So it was like good to have but not that much mandatory. But nowadays, like the certifications are almost mandatory only, like people or the interview companies, they generally check, or they want to know that you have done the certifications, and that like adds the value and provides the validity to your profile. So nowadays, like it's a must thing. So yeah, so that's again one requirement you should have nowadays. Then the business analyst in automation, so business analysts can also do this certification, because again they'll get the in-depth idea or like little bit of knowledge regarding the UiPath capabilities and the AI capabilities which are currently there. So they can again provide the um, best info to the business as well, like what can be automated and how much, or what could be the good use case, or what are the limitations of the UiPath RPA tool currently. So that's how they can help in the designing or help in the requirements understanding for the process. Then the developers moving to Gen AI. So the developers like which are currently the using the basic sequence or basic activities in the RPA. So they should also be doing this, because again it will provide the much more added features and much more added value. So they'll be up to date with the AI activities and AI features in UiPath. So best path will be like beginners, and then the should move on to the associate and professional specialized roles. So again, like these certification will be a good addition. So now we're going to be talking about the benefits of doing this certification. So basically, again, the benefits, if you see overall, it's a good boost for your career. So it generally provides higher credibility in RPA market. Again, it adds value and validation to your profile. Better job opportunities you will get. Eligibility for AI automation roles. Strong portfolio value. Industry recognized credential. So again, they'll add to your profile and they'll highlight your resume or profile compared to the other developers who don't have this certification. So again, that's a very mandatory, I'll say, in current scenario. So key skills you gain. So after certification, you will what you'll learn. So basically, it will cover these topics. So basically, AI powered automation design, intelligent document processing, prompt engineering, communication mining, agentic workflow buildings, production ready AI bots. So all over the AI buffet which is currently available to the UiPath. So you will be having the idea or the knowledge about all those things, and while doing the certification or while you're preparing for it, so the courses or the learning programs which are provided by UiPath, so they cover like hands-on exercises as well, with which you will get the idea of how exactly to use these features which are provided. So not only the theoretical part but little practical also you will be able to do on the UiPath portal, like while going through the learning which is provided. So other thing, like it will impact your salaries in a good or positive way. So certified professional often see 20 to 30% salary growth as they gain experience. So yeah, so again with this, like as your knowledge increases or as much broader your mm, knowledge is in the any field, I'll say. So basically it adds to your salary growth as well, because again you stand out as a important or very valuable employee compared to the other employees. So the next one is why important in current market 2026. So market trends RPA, and as we can see, RPA is merging with generative AI. So nowadays, like simple regular RPA is not that much recommended or getting reduced popularity. So basically now more generative AI features are getting in use or in demand. So companies want intelligent automations, not just bots. So again, that's one of the point. Demand for AI automation engineer is rising. So that's again a very valuable point we can say. Agentic AI is the next big wave. Specialized AI skills make you future ready. So basically, again, it's all about AI and the new features which are coming up. So for you to have the idea and to update to you as per the recent demands on the market scenario. So this certification will cover most of the things. So if you go into this part, market demand and job roles. So with this certification, you can target AI automation developer, intelligent automation engineer, RPA plus AI specialist, automation solution architect, Gen AI automation consultant. So all these roles which are in demand, and all these like should have done this certification, which is now in will be asked in any of the companies. In India, experienced certified professional can reach 11 to 15 point LPA or more. So again, like it will add to your overall salary and overall package. So why agentic AI is the future? So if we look into this, so basically autonomous decision making, multi-step reasoning, AI agent performing tasks, human AI collaboration. Companies are rapidly adopting AI agents for business processes. So as like previously they were like static or repetitive simple steps which the automation used to follow. So now the companies or the processes are demanding much more reasoning and multi steps and AI sort of brain artificial intelligence which can go through the problems and um, solve dynamic or like random issues and problems as well. So that's why like it's again more into focus and more into popularity. So recommended learning roadmap. So if we see like how exactly you can go through this, basically learning UiPath basics, complete UiPath Academy. So there is the UiPath Academy portal is there where the learnings will be provided for each of the automation or each of the certification, which you can complete, and once completed you can give a assessment test as well, which will give you the idea of how exactly the certification exam will be, and using that you can finally attempt your main certification exam as well. So yeah, take a agentic automation associate, take specialized AI associate, build real projects, go for specialized AI professional. So yeah, means that how you can go and attempt your exam. So if we talk about ROI, return on investment, so basically if we see it's a little bit of investment also, as you're investing in yourself. So certification cost, if we look around, so will cost you around 12k to 26k. So there's like the basic ones are for $150 and the professional is for around 300k. So overall, like that will cost you around this range, and it will take like 1 to 3 months of learning, and then you can attempt it. So that's like sort of investment which you will do, but return, if you look into it, so higher salary potential, better job calls, future proof AI skills, entry into intelligent automation domain. So those points will be the return which you will be getting, and as compared to the investment, I'll say the returns are quite good and much needed, and high ROI for automation careers. So yeah, basically it'll boost your career. Final verdict, if we look into it, so worth it for RPA career, high demand skill, future line with Gen AI, strong resume booster, best if combined with projects. So yeah, as per the current scenario, so it's a must. I'll say that you should have the certification, AI certifications done in the UiPath to polish or to highlight your profile and getting a much more job opportunities and increasing your overall salary, which I think which is the best approach or best reason to do it. So yeah, so that's the overall summary or overall information which is regarding the current AI certifications which are provided by UiPath. And for any queries or any more questions, please do let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to help you guys with any more information if needed. And that's all it for now. Thank you guys, and if possible, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you guys.